You guys are just at the point where you're ready for something new in your life, right? And I feel like some of you guys have shut down to the point where you're just bottling up everything that's going on or that has been going on in your life. And Spirit is pushing you to basically like talk to your friends, the ones that you can trust, okay? The trustworthy ones. But yeah, lean towards your friends because I feel like they can help you. Maybe, you might meet someone new because I see that there's a reconciliation taking place. So this could be someone new coming into your life that you never met this lifetime, but you dealt with them in a past life. They could be coming in and maybe you're going to be meeting them while you're with your friends, or your friend could possibly know this person and you're going to be getting introduced, right? I definitely feel like Spirit wants you to stop trying to be so stubborn. And they want you to go with the flow because maybe you guys just to the point was like, I feel like I'm doing the work, nothing is happening, but Spirit wanted you to go through your lessons because they wanted you to progress in a new way to the point where there is something new or someone new coming into your life, but at the same time, patience was still needed. Everything I feel like for you guys, what I'm seeing here, it is orchestrated with divine timing, so you can't rush divine timing. It happens when it's supposed to happen. Also, the reason why Spirit wanted you to focus more so on yourself is because with the Love Yourself First card, you guys had to learn how to put yourself first. You guys had to learn how to stop taking BS from other people, whether it's friends, family, relationships, whatever it is. It's like you guys had to stand up more for yourself. And a lot of you guys have been putting in that work, and this is why Release Your Ex is directly underneath it. There was an ex or somebody you guys that you were dealing with that they weren't good for you at all, and you know that. And it's like you had to let this person go. I do feel like for majority of you, you did let this person go. But I'm picking up, there's still some of y'all out there. Y'all know who you are. Don't be looking around the room as you're listening to me. You know who you are. Y'all need to let go of this person. You know this person isn't any good for you. Whether you're in a relationship with them, you're married, to them, which could be the reason why you're like, I'm trying to get out, but I gotta figure it out first. But Spirit is saying, yeah, you need to release this ex. Now, for others of you, because I told you, I'm seeing it two ways. I feel like there's somebody that you were dealing with, right? They know that you're their person. You already know that this is your person too, but you had to stand up for yourself because you were no longer entertaining and or tolerating their nonsense. So you had to ghost them. You left them out in the cold because you're like, you know what? I'm done. I deserve better. This person is actually talking to their friends trying to figure out how to reconcile with you because they want to come back and fix things. But patience is needed because they're trying to release an ex. There was some interference here that they're trying to get out of in order to come back towards you. And that's why Spirit is saying patience is needed. So, whew, Pisces, I just felt like I just said a lot, okay? And that little bit. Pisces, this is what we doing on Sunday. Okay. So let's just hop in. Let's just see which way this is going to lean more so towards. Because I'm seeing messages for both. So let's just see. Okay, Spirit. I'm going to do a general reading for my Pisces. Alright, let's see which way this goes. Bottom of the deck, I see the Queen of Swords reversed. So again, some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. This could be representing you guys where it's like you had to cut people off. You had to cut situations off. Basically, that just didn't serve you. If it is referencing this other energy that I was picking up that's trying to come back into your life, they know that they have to cut things off because if they don't, you're done with them for good. They know this. So let's just see how this plays. Tell me about Pisces, please. What's going on? Yeah. Ooh, okay. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. I definitely feel like somebody's having a hard time because there was some type of shakeup here that took place. Tell me more. Somebody could be dealing with, oh, y'all. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. There was definitely interference here. Whether it's a love interest, someone's mother, or this could just be you guys just not being positive anymore about this individual. Cross-watcher, if you were dealing with a Pisces, you could be feeling this way. Just take however it fits. So let's see. Tell me more. Yeah, see, I'm telling you, somebody messed up. And they feel like basically nothing's going to work. They can't turn things around with you. But see, this was a lesson. This was a lesson they had to go through, guys. And now it's like they're ready to move forward. Clarify. Three of Cups. Why did the Three of Cups come out like that? Clarify. This person wants to ask you out. Okay. So, y'all, I'm still seeing it both ways. Okay. Let me just see. I'm still seeing it both ways. I'm feeling like, honestly, the reason why I keep saying it is because I'm seeing messages for you, like you guys had to let go of something in order for you to move on. That's why I was like, okay, I see you guys learning your lesson. Even though it was hard, you had to go through this. Now, because you left the situation alone, there's somebody coming in that could be asking you out really soon, but you definitely had to stop looking back at the past. If it's like an ex trying to come back in, I see that they had a Tower moment on their end because there was some type of interference here with a third-party situation. They learned their lesson. They want to move forward with you. I do feel like they're going to come back in and ask you out as well because they're hoping and praying that you guys can move forward and not look back at the past. See, I'm just seeing the past here. So that's what I'm saying. I'm seeing it two ways. So y'all stick with me. Hopefully I don't lose y'all. So let's see. Tell me more. What's going on with Pisces? Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. But I do feel like, yeah, there's somebody here isolating themselves. Because it's like they want a future with you, but yeah, they messed up because of the past. Clarify. So they made a decision. What was their decision, Spirit? They're coming out of being frustrated because at one point they felt like they lost you. But because of their secrets and lies, they're not moving forward. Somebody could be dealing with another Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But see, I just feel like somebody's coming out of being frustrated. Okay, tell me more. Somebody's not worrying about it. Yeah, they're not talking. Somebody's not expressing how they truly feel. Tell me more. They're trying to get out of a third-party situation. Okay, so y'all is leaning more so towards this person from the past. Somebody's trying to come in or come back into your life, but they know that they hurt you. Okay, tell me more. Back and forth with the Knight of Cups. Yeah, somebody, they're trying to have the confidence to come back. It's like once they get out of this situation, they want to come back to tell you how they feel, but at the same time, they're not confident. And they have to give you an apology. So yeah, this is past. This is the past. Tell me more. This person wants stability with you. But see, there's somebody on their end trying to hold on. Clarify. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries, but it's like they want stability with you, but at the same time, they feel like they're not going to be able to have stability. And they're sad because they hurt you, but I'm feeling like somebody's holding on their end. It could be like a financial situation or some type of codependency because I do feel like this person did take some type of financial loss or financial hit. And this is why they're not being positive right now if they can have you back because they put themselves in a situation. But see, this individual is trying to use their intuition at this point to get out of that situation to come towards you. But they feel like they're not going to have this new beginning because they did mess up. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. Tell me more, please. Yep, they're afraid that if they give you this offer, you're going to reject them, Pisces. You're rejecting them. And this is why they're moving slow. This is why they're moving slow to come towards you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Yep. So they're looking at you like the Queen of Pentacles. They're looking at you like, okay, you're very caring, you're nurturing. You bring stability into their lives, but they also know that you're moving on, you know, with or without them. And this is why they're afraid that things may not improve because it's like you have everything in their eyes, you know, and it's kind of like if my money isn't together, one, why would they take me back? Also, I done put myself in a situation, you know, and it's like I did Pisces wrong or cross-watcher. If you were dealing with a Pisces, they know they did you wrong. And they're afraid that you're not going to accept their offer. What is this trying to come out as balancing? Three of Pentacles. So they do want things to improve. But there is something going on with somebody's financial stability here. See, tell me more. They feel like it's not secure. See? This person wants to come back and give you an offer. It is a small offer. Because they want to have this home with you. They want to have stability with you. But they know that it's going to take some work. You don't trust them. You don't. Tell me more. They're back and forth with the Page of Cups. See, yeah, this person was being very immature and childish towards you guys. They were. And it's like, that's why I told you they want to give you this small offer. Because, look, I'm telling you, there's an offer coming in. Yeah, they were confused, but they're not confused anymore. They're not Pisces. And I do feel like they're taking it day by day to come back towards you to give you this offer. Because they did make a decision pertaining to you. Tell me more. They want to tell you the truth. For some of them, if they were trying to get out of some type of situation or a legal situation, they were waiting on some type of judgment or decision. But, yes, they're coming towards you. They are. Somebody could be dealing, I'm just missing the signs. Y'all know how I am when I be in my little flow. But somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But I feel like this person is trying to hold on to hope that they can win you back. Because, see, they know what it is that they want. It's you. They're going to be confident. They know. They're coming towards you, Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But, see, even though they're confident in their mind, like they know who they want to be with, at the same time, they're just dragging their feet. They're taking their time coming towards you. And this is why right now, look at that, they're getting advice, guys. They're talking to someone because I'm telling you, they want to take a leap towards you because they do want to have this new opportunity with you. And they're making plans. They are. They're making plans to come back in because they want to balance things out with you. Tell me more. Okay, somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. So, y'all, your person, just looking at this person, they were definitely in some type of, like, karmic situation, right? It was toxic. I definitely feel like they are going to free themselves, but whoever they were dealing with, they were helping them out financially. Whether they were, you know, just dealing with them in a relationship or they were married. I feel like this person has been giving to them. Maybe they're afraid that they have to keep giving to them, which is why I saw them worried about their money. So, but either which way, they are going to be single if they were dealing with someone else. I do see them freeing themselves, but yeah, they're afraid. And they are going to have the strength to come towards you. Somebody's dealing with a Leo here. But see, because of everything that they put you through, they feel like you're not going to give them a victory. Let's see. Look at that, 10 of Cups. But they want to have stability with you. They want to have a family with you. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. 10 tens. I'm telling you, this karmic cycle that's been going on, it's over. It's done. There's a new cycle starting. But at the same time, this person is hoping and praying that you can forgive them for stabbing you in the back because they kept hurting you. Tell me more. But that's why they feel like they're not going to be able to fix this. Could have been dealing with a Gemini, but they're coming out of being frustrated about it, and they want to rush back in to say something to you. But see, they left you out in the cold. This person was being a player. They were. And this is why they're nervous now, because it's like they did leave you hanging. This is why they're afraid that you're not going to give them a new opportunity to have this new beginning. But they do want to come back and balance things out with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius here. So they're coming out of being frustrated about it, but I'm telling you, they're afraid you don't want to build with them. They're afraid you're done. They're afraid you're going to cut them off for good. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But I do feel like this person knows the truth. They know who they want to be with, and this is why they made a decision. Tell me more. But see, they're back and forth with the Ace of Pentacles. I'm telling you, they made a decision. They do want to give you this offer, Pisces. They do. The problem is they're hesitating because they don't know if you're going to take it. Tell me more. They want happiness with you. They do. They really do. But at the same time, they're frustrated. They are frustrated, and they're trying to figure out how to go about doing this because I'm telling you, I feel like this person was definitely being a player. They had other options in the past, and they know if they want to be with you, they can no longer do that. They're letting that go. But see, they're sad. They're sad because it's like everything is hitting them at once, like how